What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. As you can see by the title, we're finally getting the windshield replaced. I've been wanting to get the windshield replaced for so long already, but the thing is I couldn't decide whether I should go OEM, aftermarket, OEM, aftermarket, OEM, aftermarket, and I'm just gonna go aftermarket. So don't add me if you guys are OEM plus plus. But yeah, guys, I'll pick up the camera once we're at the windshield place, and I'll be showing you guys the process and the progress of how they do this, because I'm super curious. I've never had this replaced before. I've never even replaced a windshield before, so let's go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the crack is right there. It goes all the way up here. But this windshield needs to be replaced anyway, guys. It was so full of rock chips from like all the times. Look at it, you can see all the rock chips up there. All from like Vegas and stuff. Lots of driving. But yeah, we about to get the windshield replaced finally. After I've having this crack for like a really long time. It's been super annoying. But yeah, I'm about to get it finally replaced. Time for a new one. Super sketch. Yeah, they gotta remove all this plastic here. All this just to get to the windshield. Yeah. That's crazy, bro. Damn, the old windshield, guys. Oh shit. Bruh, that's wild. Should I just drive like this? No windshield? Damn, new windshield, guys. Oh my god, it looks so much better. Brand new, fresh windshield, guys. Damn, guys, it's finally done. Got a brand new windshield. I was driving around with a cracked windshield for so long, and now it's like brand new. Like I can legit see through, guys. Oof. Let's see how long this one will last me. Oh my gosh, feels so good to have a new windshield. Guys, you seriously have no idea. I've been driving with this cracked windshield for the longest time, and like all these little rock chips and all this stuff have been driving me crazy, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pull the trigger and get the windshield replaced. It looks so good, brand new, clean, fresh. I'm super excited.
Original from factory, but like the gold and the chrome one.
He's over here telling him that it was vinyl. Little shit.
Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
It was painted by Masterminds.
Thank you.
What's up, G?
Wrap, bro.
What do you think about the windshield?
Bro, it looks clear.
Clear, huh?
Badass.
I know. I was driving. I was like, holy shit! Like it looks better.
Yeah, it looks.
My car was bad. Better. My car had a lot of rock chips. Damn. So Mario made a few changes here. He blacked out the BBS wheels that he had, as you can see, and he also threw, I'm trying to look for it, where is it? He put the BBS sticker there. That shit looks clean. And then he also threw front canards in the front. Kind of looks like that track look, which looks pretty sick. What do you guys think? We got the canards right there. Damn, I missed my F80. So Two-Face finally blacked out his Apex EC7s. See that Yonke E90 back there? Finally painted the wheels gloss black. I think it's gonna look so much better. They were silver before, which didn't really complement the car too much, I think. But I think gloss black would be much better looking. All right, guys, it's been a while since we've photo shooted the E92. So right now, I'm going somewhere local by my house to photo shoot the E92. Post up some pictures, some content for Instagram. Haven't been posting on there a lot. Just haven't had the time to actually go and photo shoot, but right now I got the camera with me. And a lot of you guys ask what kind of camera am I using and what kind of lens. For recording, I'm using the G7X, just in case you guys want to know. And for photography, I use the Sony a7R II with a 35mm 1.4 Sigma lens. It's a really good lens. I highly recommend it. I've also used, or I have the 2470 G Master, which I absolutely love as well. And I also have the 55mm 1.8, I believe, Zeiss. And those are like my three like to go to lenses. And those are probably the only lenses you'll ever need. So yeah, that's the camera right there. I think we're gonna shoot somewhere just local here with some of these buildings. Photos will be at the end of the video, so make sure you guys watch it to the end. All right, so we got this sick background here. We got some buildings. We're in the shade. We got some palm trees, which looks really good. I'm gonna have to Photoshop that blue tape out of there because we just had the windshield done. But damn, the E92 looking good. Damn. Tomorrow or in the next vlog, I might put this in the vlog, I might not. It'll be in a different vlog, but I'm gonna get the calipers repainted, and then I'm gonna get new side skirts. I gotta get new side skirts, and then I think she's pretty complete for now. Probably do some other modifications. If you guys want to recommend some mods, I'm thinking about doing the GTS wing. Probably remove this spoiler or get a different trunk and add the GTS wing. And I would like to add the orange roll cage. I think that'd be pretty sick. What do you guys think? All right, guys, next spot is right here, this building. We got like this little old school building. I don't really like to shoot in the sun, especially with this color orange, because I feel like it's too freaking orange. But I'll take some photos. Hopefully they come out banger. If they do, you'll see them at the video at the end. If not, then you know they weren't banger. But let's give it a shot. All right, guys, for the third location, we're gonna shoot here. We got this little old school movie theater. Hopefully this car behind me moves so I can get this pretty cool shot. I think it's got like an old school theater look, but hopefully they come out fire. All right, guys, for the last location, we got this little street here with some trees. Hopefully we can get some good photos again. A lot of sun is hitting the car here, so I don't know. I'm not really a fan of pictures when the sun's like beating down on the car so much. But we'll see how they come out. Let's see.
Are you thirsty?
Bro, hangover.
Oh, wow. One that parties.
Bro, but that's cool because we're gonna be working on Linebergs.
So we got this little beast dropped off earlier today, and this was actually one of the first cars who actually trusted me in doing his calipers, and they're still orange, as you guys can see. They used to have a decal there. He removed it. He didn't like it after a while, and then but it's taking its toll, you know, after replacing some brake pads and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna refresh it for him, you know. I think he needs that love now, and then see where else he needs a little bit of love. We're probably gonna clean it up for him. Just doesn't know that. And then yeah, just make these back to orange, you know. Now they look like tangerine, all dull and crap.
This was balling, bro.
God damn. Let me see.
Got his on.
How about that, bro? That's another level kind of stuff.
That's another level of coronavirus, bro.
That's the expensive Corona, right?
Yeah, bro. I go like this to the bank. I'm poor, bro.
Bro, I would have used this. But yeah, so Lime Rock, get ready to get pimped from Tangerine. Oh fuck, yeah, this is a Tangerine. Talk about, yeah, but you need to correct that, bro. We need to figure something out with that.
Yeah. Or we can remove just the wrap and put a new one.
We could put a new wrap. I think you do for a wrap, bro.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we got the car in the air, all the wheels off. As you can see a little bit more of what I'm telling you. Like the car's taking a little bit more toll. You know what I mean? Oh, let it focus. Let it focus. There you go. See what I mean? That needs a little refreshing, but nothing we cannot fix. All right. So as you guys can see, it's code U94. Code U94 is actually oh Jesus, U94, guys. We actually, oh my god, how come this camera doesn't focus? There we go, look at that. So we basically told him that we were gonna color match it to his car.
Alright guys, I'm back here on the vlog. Great. I have a freaking nail in the tire. It's so lame. Damn, so they're doing this like tan color on this 3 Series. It looks really nice actually. They already kind of finished the hood here, as you can see. Wow, that looks good. It's like a light. Oh shit, they got this whole side done. Damn. That looks good.
Damn. New suspension, bro?
Cleaned it up. Hey, I can go lower, huh?
You can.
Should I?
Should. Fucking go. Let's slam it.
Well, we got some orange there.
I don't wrap. These guys wrapped it all the way into the frame, bro.
What color should I wrap my car, guys? We got so many color options. Look. What color would you guys wrap your car? Comment down below right now. There's so many. What the hell? We got carbon fiber. Damn, that's a nice blue. We got green. Oh, we got matte orange. Oh, we got the gloss orange right there. Damn. Comment down below right now, guys. Look at the big ass wing. Damn. Fresh Cakes, is this you? It's got a big ass wing. Look at the lug.
Bro, have you seen the carbon fenders?
Look at the carbon. Look at the hood. That's just crazy. Alright guys, calipers are done. Damn, they look so good. Color match exactly to the car. Guys, look at this. Exactly the same color. Wait, the pole. Woo, this thing is so loud. Waking up all the neighbors.